Hey everyone, David here from IncomeCure.com, and welcome to my secret email system review. Now, I normally don't get too excited about ebooks, but when I found this ebook, I got really excited and I downloaded it and I decided to purchase and go through it myself, and now I'm recommending it to you guys. So, and just here in a second, I'm going to go ahead and show you inside of the ebook. I'm going to show you everything that's delivered to you for an actually super low price. So I've never actually seen this much of value packed into an ebook for this low of a price, but you're going to see all of that inside this video. So in a nutshell, Secret Email System is an ebook that contains basically everything that you need to know to start an email marketing business from scratch. You don't have to have any skills or knowledge. It's completely beginner friendly. So this is a complete done for you business inside of an ebook, and that's why I enjoyed it so much as I read through it this morning. Basically, inside the ebook, you're going to learn how to drive traffic to your landing page. You're going to learn how to create that landing page, how to give some kind of lead magnet to connect with people and to start building up your email list. And you're also going to learn how to promote offers and affiliate offers to that email list so you could start making money from that email list. So let's go ahead now and take a look at the members area. I'm going to show you inside of that. So it's super simple. It's just a one-page website, and all it has here is just a link for you to click and download the ebook. And the ebook looks exactly like this. So you can go through it and you can see everything inside of it. So as you can see, it's really professionally done. So it has images, it has graphs, it has everything that makes it super easy to read and comprehend and understand. So this is the ebook that you're going to be getting. That's like the main thing that you're going to be getting inside of Secret Email System. But not only that, but there's also these other bonuses that are also included in the zip file that you download from this page right here. Now, in order to actually get a hold of this ebook, you're going to have to go to the sales page. And in order to do that, all you have to do is click on the link down below this video, and that will take you to the sales page, which looks like this. And you can go ahead and read through the sales page and see everything that's included inside of Secret Email System. But let me just give you a quick overview of what you're going to get inside of it. So you're going to get the ebook, of course, then you're going to get all those 10 bonuses that I showed you earlier. And there's tons of different bonuses in here. So there's like email swipe files. There are email templates that you can use. There's a master class that you can also get in there as well. And that's all included for the super low price of $5.60, which is absolutely insane. That's kind of why I'm actually recommending this product to begin with. So that is the sales page. You can go ahead and click on the link down below this video and you will see the sales page. You can go through, and if at any time you want to go ahead and pick up this ebook, all you have to do is put in your email address here, go to step 2, and then you can check out and get the ebook for $5.60. Now I want to talk about something super special, and these are the bonuses that I have included inside of this review, so that if you decide to buy through my affiliate link, then you get all these included bonuses on top of the ebook and these 10 bonuses that are listed right here. So let me go ahead and break that down and show you. So this is my bonus page right here, and it has this countdown timer here, which lets you know how much time you have until the price is going to be going up on that Secret Email System ebook. So if you scroll down on my email page, you'll see some information here all about Secret Email System, what's included in the product. You'll see the cost here and exactly what you get. But if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see all the different bonuses that I have included for people who decide to purchase Secret Email System from my affiliate link, which is just below this video. So in total, I have 4 different bonuses for you that are directly from me. These are custom bonuses that I've created specifically for people who purchase this product from me. So bonus number 1 is I'm going to teach you how to do affiliate marketing on Twitter. So these are different hacks on how to set up your profile, make it look attractive for affiliate marketing, and then how to get people to click on the links inside of your bio on Twitter. So that's bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is a value selling hack. So this is how I've been able to do over $3,000. It's actually more than that now on Twitter by doing something called value-based selling. And it's really, really high quality training that's going to teach you how to give value first and then get sales on the back end of that value. So that's bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is easy profile traffic. So I'm going to teach you how to get more traffic on Twitter, how to get traffic to your profile, and then convert that traffic into sales. And then bonus number 4 is I'm going to teach you how to sell inside of your DMs. This is specifically for Twitter. Once again, I'm going to teach you how to sell and how to kind of work that conversation in a valuable way in order to get people to buy from your affiliate links. So this is all incongruent with the 10 extra bonuses that are given to you from the course creator, the ebook creator. His name is Matt Basic. And these are 10 bonuses that are also included from him that you get for purchasing the secret email system ebook. So that's everything that's included inside of my bonus package. And if you want that bonus package, it'll be available as long as this bonus page is still up and as long as he's running that sale for that ebook. Now I want to go ahead and deep dive a little bit more inside the product and exactly what you're going to be getting inside of Secret Email System. So these are all the files like I showed you once before. These are all the files that are included in the zip file that you download inside of Secret Email System. So you have, I can open up all these here for you. You have these different videos and you have checklists. So this is a formula calculator here. This is 1,000 email swipes that you have here inside of a folder, and also how to edit them and how to use them for any niche. And then you also have a free masterclass session right here. That's also included in the $5.60 ebook. Then you have the swipe files here for email swipe files, and swipe files basically just help you write your emails and make them smoother and make the copy better. Also here you have an Internet Millionaire Mind Book, which is another PDF download that you get included with the secret email system. You have the irresistible offer video guide right here. That's an entire video training. I think it's about 20 minutes long. And then you have a lead gen template. So this is a template that allows you to get leads. So basically you don't have to create your landing page. He gives you the template automatically. So all you have to do is just have the software, import the code, and then you can start creating your template and get off and running super fast with this method. So that's everything that's included inside of Secret Email System. So in everything put together, basically what you're getting for $5.60 is a complete email marketing course, but you're also getting 4 bonuses from me and then 10 extra bonuses from the product creator. So if you're interested at all in picking up Secret Email System, the link will be down below this video. All you have to do is click on that, head over to the sales page, and you can find the product there. I'm David, and I will see you in the next video.